Good morning, children. I am your phonics teacher, Ramani ma'am. Welcome to Phonics Classroom Lessons. In today's lesson, you are going to learn alphabet and their sounds. So, you repeat after me. We are going to read A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So, there are 26 letters in alphabet. Now, let's learn the sounds of these letters. A, apple. Repeat after me. A, apple. B, bat. B, bat. C, camera. C, cat. D, drum. D, drum. E, egg. E, egg. F, fish. F, fish. G, gaggle. G, goat. H, hen. H, happy. I, igloo. I, igloo. J, jelly. J, jelly. K, kite. K, kite. L, lollipop. L, lion. M, mango. M, man. N, nest. N, nose. O, octopus. O, ostrich. P, penguin. P, peacock. Q, quack. Q, quill. R, rat. R, rose. S, snake. S, soap. T, tennis. T, tomato. U, umbrella. U, umbrella. V, van. V, vase. W, watch. W, water. X, X-ray. Y, yogurt. Y, yummy. Z, z, zebra. Z, zoo. So this was our alphabet sounds and their action. So today you are going to practice all these alphabet sounds and action, and let's sing a song, alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So this was today's lesson. We will meet in the next lesson. Till that time, you please practice all these alphabet and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.